Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase or decrease the size of eraser on Paint here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Paint. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear before we can proceed. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So once you have bring up the Paint, let me just add a pink line here, okay, so that I can show you clearly the adjustment of the size of the eraser, okay? Since the color of the eraser is white, so I need to put a pink mark here so that you can clearly see it. Okay, so this is good. So we need to navigate to the upper left side of that where you can see an icon like this. So the eraser icon is this one. All you need to do is you need to click on this. And the moment you do that, this line bar would appear. Okay. So in order to make the paint in smaller size, all you need to do is you need to drag it here. And when you drag it here, there you go. You have just successfully decreased the size of eraser here in your paint. And if you would like to increase it by 10px, okay, your eraser size would look like this. The eraser size would look like this. Okay, so meaning you just have to use this line bar here to adjust the size of the eraser in your paint. Okay, so if you would like to increase that for 84px, all you need to do is you need to test that and it will look like this. Okay, so if you would like to increase that to the full size, which is 248px, you would be able to change the size of eraser like this. So this is good to eventually or to easily delete anything here in your paint. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to increase or decrease the size of eraser in your paint. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on increasing or decreasing the size of the eraser in your paint here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you for watching and have a good day.